Learn how to paste a recipe into your DinnerBrain recipe collection. This guide covers entering the recipe title, adding detailed text, and uploading an image to complete your recipe entry. Start by selecting the Add Recipe option. Choose the Paste Recipe text button. Add a recipe title. Access the main text area where you will paste the detailed recipe information. Carefully paste the full list of ingredients and instructions into the recipe text box. Click again on the recipe text area if you need to make any adjustments or additions. Locate and select the option to upload an image to visually represent your recipe. Browse your device to find and attach a relevant photo of the dish. Finalize the process by confirming the import to save your new recipe with all details and image included. This guide walked you through pasting a recipe into the app, including entering the title, adding detailed ingredients and instructions, uploading an image, and completing the import to save your recipe.